The Jeep brand is taking a pretty bold swing at the midsize truck world with the new Jeep Gladiator Shadow Ops package, and it is not just another appearance bundle. The headline is simple. This is the first midsize truck to offer a factory-installed winch straight from the dealership, ready for real recovery work instead of showroom talk. Shadow Ops is also being used to launch Jeep's new Convoy campaign, which is all about mission-ready special editions built around strength, unity, and purpose. Jeep is leaning hard into that theme by introducing Shadow Ops through a ground-led Convoy, not an airdrop reveal, which matches the whole tough, authentic vibe they are chasing. Underneath the stealth look, the package starts with the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon as the foundation, so you're already in the right place if you actually plan to use this thing on trails. Then the Shadow Ops upgrades layer on the functional stuff first. A factory-installed winch for recovery confidence and heavy-duty steel front and rear bumpers for durability when the terrain gets rough. Visually, it goes full blackout. You get a satin black grille that sharpens the front end, plus Shadow Ops hood and fender decals that make the truck instantly recognizable. There is also a tailgate decal and theme package to finish the look without trying too hard. Jeep did not forget daily use either. Shadow Ops includes all-weather slush mats to protect the cabin when boots are muddy and the weather is ugly. It also adds body color details that many people already want on a Rubicon, including the body color Freedom Top 3-piece hardtop and body color fender flares, so it looks more premium while still staying true to the Gladiator's rugged personality. Pricing is straightforward. The Jeep Gladiator Shadow Ops package is listed at $4,995, manufacturer's suggested retail price, on the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. Jeep says that works out to just a $2,605 manufacturer's suggested retail price. Walk over a comparably equipped Rubicon with the body color hardtop and body color fender flares, which is their way of saying you are getting meaningful hardware, not just stickers. Jeep Gladiator Shadow Ops is expected to hit dealerships nationwide starting February 2026, and because this is a limited run package, it feels aimed at the buyers who do not want to wait for the aftermarket to catch up. If you have ever been stuck on a trail thinking, I wish I had a winch right now, this is basically Jeep answering that problem in a factory-backed way.